Yeah, hello student, this is the 10th part of matrices. Today I am going to explain some problems based on properties of determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So yesterday's class is about properties of determinants. So these are the properties. First property, for any square matrix A, determinant of A is same as determinant of A transpose. Second property, determinant of a square matrix changes sign when any two rows or columns are interchanged. Okay, next, if two rows or columns of a square matrix are identical, then the value of determinant of that matrix is 0. If all the elements of a row of a square matrix are multiplied by a number k, then the determinant value of the resulting matrix is k times the determinant of the original matrix. Number 5, the elements of a row or column of a square matrix are k times the elements of another row, then given determinant value is 0. Each element in a row or column of a square matrix is the sum of two terms, then its determinant can be expressed as the sum of two determinants of two square matrices of the same order explained. If the elements of a row or column of a square matrix are added with k times the corresponding elements of other row or column, then the value of the determinant of the resulting matrix is unaltered. This is important. So the sum of the product of the elements of any row or column of a square matrix with the cofactors of the corresponding elements of an other row, then its value equal to 0. So if the elements of a square matrix are polynomial in x and x equal to a, two rows becomes identical, then x equal to a is said to be the factor of determinant. Similarly, if x equal to a gives 3 rows or zeros, then you can say that x minus a whole square is a factor of determinant. Okay, if a and b are two square matrices of same order, then determinant of AB matrix equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. So these are another important. A is nth order square matrix, then determinant of Ka matrix equal to k power n into determinant of A. Next, each element of a row or column of square matrix is 0, then determinant of that matrix is 0. For any positive integer n, a power n det equal to det a whole power n, means here n is a natural number. If A is a triangular matrix or upper or lower, then det A is product of the diagonal elements. So students, this is very, very important. Row transformations and column transformations. Okay, so here, listen students, elementary row operations effect on the determinant. R1 and R2 are interchanged. Change the sign of determinant. The meaning of this is R1 and Rj, Ri and Rj are interchanged. Change the sign of the determinant. So if R1 changed as C into some Rj, where C not equal to J, multiplies the determinant of by C. Original determinant is some delta, the new determinant is delta C. So Ri changed as Ri plus K Rj, no effect in the determinant. This is very important, very, very important. Okay. So what happened in a row R1 changed as R1 plus R2. Some 2 here, some 3, no problem. You get new matrices, the determinant won't alter. Similarly for column operations also. Here students, singular matrix, important, singular matrix, a square matrix A is said to be singular if det equal to 0. Determinant of a matrix equal to 0, then it is said to be singular. If determinant of a square matrix not equal to 0, that is called non-singular. The determinant of a singular square matrix is 0, then it is called singular matrix. Don't confuse. Det equal to 0, singular. Otherwise, non-singular. Okay. Yeah, some important note about singular matrices, students. If A is singular matrix, then det A equal to 0. Okay. A is singular matrix, then A transpose also singular. Important. A is singular matrix, then automatically A transpose is singular. That is not big problem. No, A is non-singular, A transpose also non-singular. But third is important. That is A and B are two non-singular matrices of the same type. Then AB is also non-singular matrix of that type. Okay, students. Now I want to solve problem. This part is very important. Yeah, I want to prove the determinant of this matrix. For example, matrix A is given as, let A is given as. So this is not a symbol for matrix, this symbol for det. Matrix A square plus 2A plus 1, 1, 2A plus 1, A plus 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. So this is the given matrix. We want to find its determinant. Its determinant you want. Det A you want to find. That is equal to A square plus 2A, 2A plus 1, 1, 2A plus 1, A plus 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. So first of all, without using any transformations, I am finding an use definition. So what the definition? You know that A square plus 2A into its cofactor, or cofactor minor, both are same for A square plus 2A, plus 2A plus 1 in its cofactor, but is the element is 1 to element, that's why directly I will write minus into its minor plus 1 into its minor. So this is A plus 2 minus 3. Here 2A plus 1 minus 3. Observe, 2A plus 1 minus 3. Here 6A plus 3, yeah, minus 3A minus 6, minus 3A minus 6. Now I want to simplify this, students. A square plus 2A into A minus 1, minus 2A plus 1 into, this is 2A minus 2, plus 6A plus 3 into, students, I will write here minus, so here we will get minus 3A plus 6. I think I did mistake here actually, that is, so plus 6A minus 3A, 3A minus 3. So, student observe Nana, here I can take A minus 1 common from total. Here A square plus 2A left. Here minus 4A minus 2 will left, because 2 is taken come already, plus 3. This is same as A minus 1 into A square minus 2A plus 1, that is A minus 1 into A minus 1 square, that is equal A minus 1 cube. Therefore, det A equal to A minus 1 cube. Yeah, students, listen how I did the determinant, just without using any transformations, any operations I did. Okay. Sometimes without using any transformations or without using any row transformations, column transformations, you will get the determinant directly. So depend upon nature of the problem. Okay. Okay. Yeah. But same problem I want solve by using some row or column operations. Okay. Actually, why we are using column and row operations? Actually, we have derived some properties. By using those properties, we want to solve the problems. Okay, that's why the row operations, columns operations are introduced. Okay. See here. Now I want to make this term is 0 and this term is 0. That is my intention. That's why R. Yeah, what is R2? Changes it. R2 changing now. How R2 changing? What is the operation on R2 means? So what I can say, R2 minus R3, one change, directly I want change, or R2 minus R1 also, no problem. So these operations are not unique, Nana. So depend upon our common sense you can use. So R3 changed as R3 minus R1. Okay. So no change in R1 as it is I am writing. That is A square plus 2A plus 1. Now R2 changing, R2 minus this. So 2A plus 1 minus A square minus 2A. Cancel 1 minus A square. Next A plus 2 minus 2A minus 1. 1 minus A. 0. R3 minus R1. R3 minus that. Yeah, what directly I wanted? 3 minus A square minus 2A. 3 minus this. 3 minus 2A minus 1. What is that, Nana? 2 minus 2A. 2 minus 2A. This is 0. So now directly I want to find the data because some zeros are there. Okay, students. Now to find a determinant of matrix, I am using this column. So 1 into its cofactor plus 0 into its cofactor. So I want space for that. Wait. 1 into its cofactor plus 0 into its cofactor plus 0 into cofactor. So no need to write what is that. So 1 into its cofactor. What is the element? 1 1, 1 2, 1 3. 1 plus 3 4 is plus only will get. Minus 1 I will write minus 1 power 1 plus 3 into what will get, Nana? This into this. What is that? 1 minus A square into 2 minus 2A minus, and now I want to rub this because all are zeros, I don't want, minus this into this, 1 minus A into 3 minus A square minus 2A plus 0 plus 0. So now I want to simplify this. From these two terms I can take 1 minus, first term 1 plus A into 1 minus A into 1 minus A into some 2 minus 1 minus A. I want to use rough for this. I think we can factorize it. Yeah, minus is taken common. A square plus 2A minus 3. So what is this? A plus 3 into A minus 1. Okay. So what I can write here? A minus 1 with the minus symbol plus, what I can write? A plus 3. Okay. So what I can take? 1 minus A whole square I can take common here. 1 minus A whole square. 1 minus A whole square is taken common. What is left here? 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2A. 2 plus 2A. Okay. 1 minus A minus 1 minus will get, no? The what will get? Minus A minus 3. Minus A minus 3. So 1 minus A whole square into A minus 1, that is Friends, this is second problem. Next problem, we want to show that determinant of the matrix ABC, BCA, CAB square equal to this, and that also equal to this. Actually here you want to prove that A equal to B equal to C. So directly you can prove A equal to B, then after you can prove that B equal to C, or after proving A equal to B you can prove A equal to C, or you can prove A equal to C first, after that you can prove B equal to C. Several ways you can prove. First of all, I want to take first one. Let matrix A is taken as A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. So what he asking? Det A whole square equal to either this or this. Already you know that det A whole square equal to A square, det also you can write. Both are same. But I want to use det A first of all, after that I will find square it, that is nothing but A square det. Okay. What I can write here? A square det you can write. First of all I want to find det A. What is that? A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. Okay. So directly you can find this. A of BC minus A square minus B of B square minus AC plus C of AB minus C square. Now I want to open that. So what I can say, ABC minus A cube minus B cube plus ABC plus ABC minus C cube, that is equal to 3ABC minus A cube minus B cube minus A cube. So what actually I want, Nana? Det A whole square I want. That is nothing but ABC BCA CAB square is nothing but 3ABC minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube. This is result number 1. Actually, you want to prove that A equal to B equal to C. Just I prove A equal to C. Then after I will prove that A equal to B or B equal to C. From that we will get the result. Yeah, students, next I want to prove that this is equal to this. So first of all, A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B square is same as A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B into det of A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. These two are same. Since det of AB equal to det A into det B if A and B are of the same order. So these are 3 by 3 order. That's why I can write. So now I am applying some operations on second one. So first one as it is, I don't want to write again. Second one I am doing some operations for second part. I will write here. I want interchange R2 and R3. Automatically it will produce one minus while interchanging a row or column. The resulting determinant is minus times of the original. That's why I will write here 1 minus. Here I will write 1 minus A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B into A, B, C, C, A, B and B, C, A. Just I interchange these two now. Now this is same as A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B into minus A, minus B, minus C, C, A, B, B, C, A. Students, the determinant concept is very, very difficult. Now, now again I want to use this concept, det A into det B, nothing but det of A into B. So, next page I will write, which is same as det of AB. A, B, C matrix, BCA, BCA and CAB matrix into minus A, minus B, minus C, CAB, I want cross check, CAB, BCA, okay. Yeah, which is same as, yeah, you know how to multiply a matrix with another matrix, minus A square plus BC plus BC. So minus AB plus AB plus C square. So this is minus AC plus B square plus AC. Second row, first column, what is that? Minus AB plus C square plus AB. Here minus B square plus AC plus AC. Okay, students, here what happened? Minus BC plus BC plus A square. Third row, third column element, minus AC plus AC plus B square. Here minus BC plus A square plus BC. This is minus C square plus AB plus AB. So some cancellations here. Yeah, this get cancelled, this get cancelled. this get cancelled, no cancellation, here cancellations, here cancellations, here cancellations, here no cancellations. So I want to write what you got, 2bc minus a square, here c square, here b square, here c square, here 2ac minus b square, here a square. What is here? B square, a square, 2ab minus c square. I think this only you want. Yeah, that only you want. Therefore, what I can say, a, b, c, b, c, a, c, a, b, whole square equal to this 2bc minus a square, c square, b square, c square, 2ac minus b square, a square, b square, a square, 2cb minus 2ab minus c square. So this is result number 2. Direct last a, b, c. Or from 1 to you write this, that is not a big problem, from 1 and 2. Okay students, another example problem. Find a value of x if this determinant of this matrix equal to 0. So actually you need to find determinant of this matrix equating to 0, we will get the value of x. But I want to use row transformations or column transformations to reduce the elements into numbers instead of variables. First of all, what I am doing, I am changing r to r2 minus r1. Again I want to change r3 also, that is r3 minus r2. r2 means previous r2. So is equal to, I will write, yeah, first row as it is, next row r2 minus r1, x minus 4 minus x plus 2, that is minus 2. Next 2x minus 9 minus 2x plus 3, minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. So next one 3x minus 16 minus 3x plus 4, that is minus 12. Next r3 minus r2, x minus 8 minus x plus 4, that is minus 4. 2x minus 27 minus 2x plus 9, this is minus 18. So you write minus 18 here. 3x minus 64 minus 3x plus 16, so minus 64 plus 16, yeah, this is 8, this is 48, minus 48 equal to 0. So now, so next step of the problem, first one as it is, x minus 2, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4. Next one is 1, yeah, 3, 6. So this is 1, not 1, 2, 9, 24. So what I am here actually, minus 2 into minus 2 equal to 0. Obviously this product is 4, so some k into det a equal to 0 means det a equal to 0 only. That's why directly I can write this one equal to 0. Again I want to rewrite here x minus 2, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4, 1, 3, 6, 2, 9, 24 equal to 0. So here you can find directly, that is x minus 2 into 24 3s are 72 minus 54 minus 2x minus 3 into 24 minus 12 plus 3x minus 4 into 9 minus 6 should be 0. Okay students, now x minus 2 into 72 minus 54 60 12 plus 6 18 minus 2x minus 3 into this is 12 plus 3x minus 4 into 9 minus that is 3 equal to 0. Or another I can say that x minus 2 into 6 minus 2x minus 3 into 4 plus 3, okay, 3x minus this is 4 equal to 0. So now 6x minus 12 minus 8x plus 12 plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. This 12 get cancelled. Minus x minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 4. 4 is the value of the 4 is the required value of x. Okay students, okay. We can solve this problem in several ways. Don't think that this is the only way to solve the problem. Sometimes listen, again I want to make some more zeros. So now I want to apply column operations. C3 I want to change C3 as C3 minus half C1 plus C2. This is as it is, this is as it is. Now this one, say observe here, 3x minus 4 minus x plus 2 minus 2x plus 3. 2x x 3x get cancel. What is this? 4 plus 2 5 1. Next 6 minus 1 minus 3 2. 24 minus that is what is that 11 13. Okay, this is also equal to 0. Again I want to make here also some number, not a variable. I want to remove that variable. I also am changing C2 nana. C2 changed as what I can write, C2 minus 2C1. So this is x minus 2 1 2 as it is. This is 1 to 13 as it is. So just I am changing C2 students, observe now. C2 2x minus 3 minus 2x plus 4. 2x get cancelled, 1 will get here. Next C2 3 minus 2 that is 1. 9 minus 2s are that is 4 that is 5. So what happened Anna? The problem becomes somewhat easy for us to find determinant, because all are numbers. No? More generally here also can make 0 also. Subtracting this here will get 0. Okay, such a way that you can use transformations. No? So now you don't want to use transformations because already we got only one variable now here. Students listen Nana. X minus 2 into something. What is something? I will write 13 minus 10. 13 minus 10 minus 1 into what is that? 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4. After that plus 1 into equal to 0. What is that? I will write. Yeah, 1 into 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. So this is 13 minus 10, 3. 3x minus 6. Here that is 9 minus 9. Yeah, that is 3 equal to 0. So 3x here minus 12 equal to 0 or x equal to 4. In this way also we get x equal to 4 only, students. So that's why several ways you can solve the problem. Students, listen now. Yeah, again I want apply column transformations. I don't want 1 here. So C3 I am changing as C3 minus C2. This is x minus 2 as it is, 1 as it is, 2 as it is, 1, 1, 5 as it is. See here, 0 here, 2 minus 1, 1, 13 minus 5, 8 equal to 0. Okay, again here also you can make 0, nana, here and here. It a stretch you can use. See, C1 changed as C1 minus C3 and C2 changed as C2 minus C3. Observe what happened. C1 changed as C1 minus C3, x minus 2 minus 0, x minus 2 only. Next 1 minus are 0. Yeah, what is that? 2 minus 8 minus 6 here. No, C2 also I change. No? What is that? 1 minus 0, 1 only. 1 minus 1, 0. 5 minus, that is minus 3. So 0, 1, 8. In this way also you can find. So students, listen. Yeah, E is equal to, now I am finding x minus 2 into 0, that is minus half minus plus 3 will get. Yeah, minus 1 into 0 plus 6 will get. No need to write that. So 3x minus 6, yeah, minus 6 equal to 0, or 3x equal to 12, or x equal to 4. So this, in this way you can use row transformations and column transformations to find the determinant of a matrix or to find the unknown values in the determinant. Okay. So next exercise problems. Find the minor of minus 1 and 3 in the matrix. Minor. Minus 1 minor should find. First of all, first problem, the 2 minor of minus 1. Minor of minus 1. The row containing that minus 1 and column containing that minus 1 should be removed. So what we will get? 0, 5, minus 3, 3. Data of this is taken as minor. 0 minus half minus 15, that is equal 15 is the minor of minus 1. Similarly way you can find the minor of 3 also. That is first problem. Find the cofactor of 2 and 5. Cofactor of 2. Which 2? There only one 2. Okay, no problem. Otherwise they will mention. One more 2 is presented in the problem. They will mention. Okay, only one 2 is there. No, I want to find a cofactor of 2. What is 2 now? There is 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 element. Second row, second column element. Minus 1 power 2 plus 2 into some data of 2 by 2 matrix. That row, that column should remove. So what happened? Minus 1, 5, minus 4, 3. That is plus 1. Yeah, what should I write here? Minus 3, minus half minus plus 20. Observe now. 3 minus 3. Okay, I think correct only 17. So completed. Find the product of the cofactors of 3 and minus 2. You people can complete it. That is not big problem. Try to find cofactor of 3 and minus 2 and find their product. That is the answer for the problem. Okay. Find the determinant value of the following matrices. Okay, you people can complete. numbers, direct numbers, iota is the take care, numbers, no problem. But 10th onwards we need to take care to find the determinant. Already this problem we did, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube, 3abc minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube. Yeah, here third problem, omega is the cube root of unity. For example, x cube minus 1 equal 0, you know that x equal to 1 comma omega square, sum of the roots equal to 0 and product of the root omega cube equal to 1. By using this concept you can solve that problem. You want for data of that, so directly I want to write an answer for that. Solution for third problem, 1 of omega power 3n minus 1 minus omega power n of omega power 2n minus omega power 2n plus omega power 2n into omega power n minus omega power 4n. Students, observe now here, omega cube whole power n, omega cube means 1, this total is 0. Okay, actually what should write, and 1 minus 1 should write, I will write that one only, 1 minus 1 minus omega power n into, this is 0, plus omega power 2n into, this is omega power n minus this is omega power 3n into omega power n, omega power 3n 1, again omega power n only, so total here 0 minus 0, totally 0, value of determinant, value of that matrix X equal 0. Yeah, okay students, next problem, fourth problem, D is the determinant of this matrix, then show that D is divisible by x and y. It is enough to show that x equal to x into y into something. Just no need to use any transformation, try to find directly determinant. D equal to 1 of something, what is something, 1 plus x into 1 plus y minus 1. Yeah, minus 1 into 1 plus y minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus x. Now I want to simplify this, D equal to 1 plus x plus y plus xy minus 1, okay, minus y plus x. Just simplifications, this x, this one get cancelled, this y get cancelled, so what you got, nana, 2x plus xy. This x also should get cancelled, actually here minus x, not plus x, minus x, no, 1 after get minus x only, this x also get cancelled. Finally what you got, nana, xy, D equal to xy. The meaning of that, D is divisible by both x and y, therefore D is divisible by both x and y. Okay, problem number 4 completed. Fifth problem, if A equal to Aij has a scalar matrix of order 2 by 2. Scalar matrix, you know the definition of scalar matrix, 2 0 0 0 3 0 0 0, just like 7. Principal diagonal elements are non-zeros, remaining all elements are zeros. Such matrix called scalar matrix. It is scalar matrix of order n, such that Ai's are all equal to k. Okay, so just I want to write k 0 0 0 k 0 0 0 k. This is given matrix. We want to find the determinant. Determinant product of the elements of principal diagonal elements only the determinant. So k into k square minus 0 plus 0 into something minus 0 into something plus 0 into something. So finally what happened? K cube. Okay, so for scalar matrix, that is nothing but product of the elements in principal diagonal elements, as just like lower triangular matrix or upper triangular matrix. So the answer for this means I can say k cube. Okay students, next sixth problem. A is a 3 by 3 matrix. Order of A is 3 by 3. Det 3a. 3a means what? Each element of total matrix multiplied by 3 according to the property 3 power 3 into det A. 27 into det A. According to problem k means 27. Therefore k equal 27. Yeah. Problem number 7. Given A is a singular matrix. Singular means what? Det equal to 0. Determinant equal to 0. Just find determinant equal to 0, get lambda value. I think no need to use any transformations directly. 8 times of 7 lambda minus 16 plus 6 times of minus 6 lambda plus 8. Okay students, plus 2 times of 24 minus 14. Yeah, 6 4s are 24, 7 2s are 14. Okay. So 8 7s are 56. Lambda minus 16. 8s are 48. 8 1s are 128. Minus 36 lambda plus 48. Yeah, this is 10 20. Now we need to simplify this. Yeah, 56 minus 36, that is 20 lambda. What is addition? This is 68. 68 should subtract minus 0 4 60. Lambda equal to 3. The value of lambda equal to 3. Let this matrix, let A matrix is given as cos theta, sin theta 0, sin theta, cos theta 0 0 0 1 is a singular matrix. That is its det equal to 0. Finding its det, just I want to use this column or this row also can use, that not big problem. If you use this row, what happened? This is 3 1 3 2 3 3. So 0 into something, no need to write. 3 plus 2 5 minus 0 into something, no need to write. 3 plus 3 1 plus 1 into something, should write. What is something? I will write cos square theta minus sin square theta. So finally what we will get? Tan square theta equal to 1. Tan square theta equal to 1. Cos square. Therefore theta equal to n pi plus r minus alpha. Theta equal to n pi plus r minus pi by 4. This is the general solution for theta.